welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 8th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them, 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And I've already solved 3 puzzles today, the regular puzzles. So I've done 7 puzzles total each day, yeah. Anyway, the first one is a 3 stars puzzle. Well, lately the publisher published the 3 stars always more than 25 printed digits. This one, first of all, this one will be number 8152. This one has 28 printed digits, so it should be an easy one because the 3 stars Sudoku usually has 25 printed digits, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 28 printed digits should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 14 or 13 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 0 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Alright, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this third column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot it down. Then can I do this the opposite side? Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot it down. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Okay. So, oh no. We have a 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in that last row. So no row between. Only place level 7. Shoot it down. Then need a 7 here. Then 7. Alright. Need an 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. I need a 2 here. Need a 9 here. Alright. So we have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So first row, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, okay. We need 8 here. Need a 1 here. It should be the 9 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left, the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay. 1. 7 here. 7 there. Come on. 3, 3, 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the last column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. That means 1 digit left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 is missing. So here are 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in the third row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Right. 4, 7, and need a 3 here. Okay. Let me think. 4, 7 here should be 1, 1, 8, and 1, 8, and 5. 1, 8, and 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. Look, we have 5 and 8 in this row. No 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So this box should be a 1 then. 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. 3. I need a 9 here. Need a 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. What's happening? 6. 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between only 2 places, 11, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. Alright, 6. 6, need a 6 here. Need an 8 there. 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 7 here. Interesting. 9. Need a 9 here. 3 there. Well, 7 in this column, 7 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column. So the column between only 2 places, 11 to 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3, 3. Need a 1, need a 3, yeah. 1, 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Look, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 in this, these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there, so the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the third row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So need a 3 there. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. 7. Need a 9, a 9 here, need an 8 here. How about a 3? 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left, and 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Alright. Then 8, 7, 4. I need a 4 here. Need a. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. 2, 1. Yeah. 1, 2. Need a 2 there. 6, need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 4 missing numbers. Well, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the only place left with 1 should be here. So the other 2 boxes should be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. We have all the 7s, okay. Need a 6 here. But 1, we have all the 1s, I believe, yeah. 6, need a 6 here. How about the 5s? 5. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the middle of a row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes down. Need an 8, yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 5, 2 in this column. 2 in the second column, so the first column, only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Need a 4 here, okay. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be in, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a pair here. Look. This pair. Alright, so these are 3 missing numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have 2 and an 8 here in this row. So 1 digit left should be the 9. So the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes exactly. Wow. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Otherwise, it will be definitely a 0 stars. But we solve it again. Let me give this one 1 star. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.